Hi all. I'd like to share. After a while, I'm seeking the process to activate the steering wheel control on my Honda Stream RN6. Since I replaced my old MITSUBISHI Player to Android, and I tried to search through internet, but of course I find out that none of it is for Honda Stream RN6. But yes, I found out a few Honda users share their information about the connection, but I do the testing, and finally I managed to find the right connection, and I share this information to you, my fellow streamers, so that it will help everybody. Keep it up, continue. Alright, so I found out that this connector, these two cable, this is especially for steering wheel control, and the label, this orange black is key 1, and this black is ground. So these two wires will be connected to this terminal, two terminal. Top side number 4, down number 4. Later I will show you the color. Between those two pin, 10.05. Okay, I press how to identify. Okay, I press one of the button. This is from the steering wheel. I press this button and we look at the ohm meter. Okay, channel up, change resistance. Channel down, change resistance. Volume up, change resistance. Volume down, change resistance. And mode, okay, mode, change resistance. And it back to 10 ohm. That means that is the correct terminal. These two terminal. Okay, so key 1 and ground connected to the steering wheel connector. Now it's time for us to test the Android whether it's respond. Okay, alright, so the connection, pin number 4, both pin number 4 from left to right. Okay, I press this button, nothing happened. Okay, nothing happened. Right, so I read the instruction manual. First we go to the setting. We need to set the learning the button. Find the car setting. Okay, press car setting and go to SWC type. Right, there are two types, learning type and special type. So I just select learning type. Okay, enter SWC setting interface. Okay, so we are here. Okay, now this is where we learn the button, steering button. I have here channel up and down, plus minus, volume up down, and mode. So we focus on this. Now I want to set the button for volume plus. Press this. Press a key on the below to bind. So where is volume plus? Here, there it is. Okay, we press this and we see the screen. 1, 2, 3, press. Alright, so now I bind volume plus to this volume up button. So we can do the same thing with volume minus. Okay, volume minus, I press volume minus on the steering wheel. Next, I press channel up, previous, I select channel down, whereby the mode I select home. Okay, with home, press mode. Alright, so from white change to orange, and there is a dotted, red dotted up there. Means it have been bind. Alright, so okay, for mute, for example, for mute, there's an option here. If we okay, one dotted means short press learning, and long dotted, long line represent long press learning. So now I want to set, if I press volume minus a little bit longer, press and hold, it will mute the volume. So press mute, and then I press volume down. Okay, so you can see, you can see mute longer. Okay, long line. So if I press this volume and hold it, it will mute. And when I press once, it just lower the volume, or this one going up to increase the volume. So that's how it works. Okay, to power off, for example, I want to power off this system. Okay, I want to press mode a little bit longer, so the player will off. So I press and hold. Okay, so you can see the power button with long line. So that is the meaning of that dot and long line, red long line. Okay, so let us test. Okay, I press the volume up, you can see it's up. Okay, down. Okay, test up and down. And channel, I can change, you see, I change the track or back track, and press long, I will turn off the player. 1, 2, 3, press mode and hold. Okay, it is off. Press mode longer, it is on. Alright, so finally I able to bind the steering wheel control switch to the Android player.